Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at Laurel Cottage on Hooper's Lane in Herne Bay. Now, tucked away down the lane here, we've got this modern detached cottage, only 7 years old, so you get to enjoy a fantastic, characterful location and a property with character aspects to the outside, but with all of the convenience of modern design and style. So coming through in from the hallway and taking a right hand turn, we've got the lounge here at the front. Really nice open clean space to work with, lovely amounts of light coming through from the front there. Fantastic location, really nicely tucked away, but you do still have everything on your doorstep in terms of the local shop and fantastic bus route as well. So coming back through from the lounge back into the hallway, we're going to go through and take a look at the kitchen dining space to the rear. Now this is a proper family space to enjoy. Really nice modern finish with the kitchen there, range of fitted appliances, space for further white goods in the kitchen dining space if you need it, but it's a really nice open kitchen dining and family space to the rear. Out into the back garden, you can see here a really nice private and sunny aspect. Plenty of space to work with the lawned area as well as the patio space. You've got the shed there as well, offering further storage, and you've got access down the side of on both sides of the property, with this being a fantastic detached cottage. So we're going to head back indoors now and head upstairs to take a look at the main family bathroom. We've got 3 bedrooms here with 1 ensuite as well. On the way, we're just going to recap a few points on the property. This is Laurel Cottage in Hooper's Lane in Herne Bay, a modern detached cottage only 7 years old, tucked away down a desirable private road. We've got the 3 bedrooms, which we're going to take a look at in just a few moments. Really nice convenient cloakroom there as well. We've got plenty of off-road parking to the front too, and then of course location really is key with this one. So let's head upstairs and take a look at what we've got there. So here we are upstairs at Laurel Cottage, and we're going to go through and take a look at the main family bathroom here to start. So a beautiful modern bathroom here, bath and shower unit with the loo and sink and frosted dual aspect windows. Coming through into the bedroom here with the ensuite shower room on your right hand side there. Really nice amount of light coming through from the window at the rear, and you've already got the plenty of space here for wardrobes, double bed, and for plenty more storage as well. So the ensuite follows the same theme as the bathroom from a few moments ago. Really nice modern finish here with the shower unit on the right hand side, loo and sink in it as well. Just coming across and down the landing on the left hand side here, we've got the second of the double bedrooms. Fantastic size room, this time again with that huge bank of windows to the front, just letting all of that natural light flood through. And then to finish off today's tour, we've got bedroom number 3 at the front. I really do hope you've enjoyed taking a look at Laurel Cottage with us today. I'm sure you have plenty of questions for us, and no doubt you'll want to come and take a look at the property in person. Again, really do hope you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.